This is Potensic Atom drone, and in today's video I'll show how you can change the flight mode or the speed mode in this aircraft. So to start, launch the Potensic Pro app on your phone. Make sure that everything is switched on and connected, of course. Then in the camera view of your drone, launch settings, select the safety section. And well, here you will be able to switch your speed settings between video, normal, and sport. So the thing is, I'm not able to do that because my drone is not in the air right now. It is not airborne. It is, well, in the recording studio. So there is no GPS signal and so on. So that's why I'm not able to switch this mode. But just for you to know that you will be able to do that if your drone will be airborne. So once it is in the air, you can switch the flight mode between, once again, video, normal, or sport. And well, as far as this tutorial goes, that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.